Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your project in Base44 to GitHub. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Base44, and then log into your account, make sure you are logged into your account, and then navigate to your apps. Now choose the app that you want to connect to GitHub, press on it, and then go to GitHub connection, and then it needs a paid plan to connect to GitHub, but if you already have that paid plan, all you need to do is to press on connect, and then it will ask you to authorize to first input your GitHub details, your email and password, and then it will ask you to authorize creating new repositories in GitHub and everything. And then after you finish all the setup, a new repository will be created in your GitHub account using this project from Base44, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.